100 pesos. Bring me ID. 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 Okay. Pangalan. Tara, dito ka. Dito ka. Dito ka. Dito ka, dali. Swerte mo naman. Pangalan mo? Princess. This is for you from IFM Lucena. Ano masasabi mo? Thank you. Bye-bye. Kuya, for 100 pesos, bring me wallet. Wallet, wallet, wallet. Ayan. Pangalan po?
Melchor Abrea.
Melchor Abrea. Congratulations from 106.3 IFM Lucena.
Maraming
Salamat po. Sige po.
Hoy, bukoy ko eh!
Yay! Guys, for 100 pesos, bring me notebook. 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 Ay, okay. Pangalan?
Rex po.
Rex. Congratulations from 106.3 IFM Lucena. Okay?
Thank you po.
Thank you. IFM, 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 IFM. Ayan, from IFM. Okay, for 100 pesos, bring me ball pen. Ball pen, ball pen, ball pen. 100 pesos. Jay, congratulations. Pang-1 point IFM Lucena. Palakpakan naman natin. IFM naman tayo. IFM! 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 Okay. Guys, another 100 pesos. Okay. Kuya, 100 pesos. Bring me paintbrush! Paintbrush! Congratulations from IFM Lucena. Okay?
Okay po.
Maraming salamat ha. Congratulations sa inyo. Ayan. IFM! 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 Thank you, thank you, thank you.